How are you, friends? Welcome back. Today is the fourth part of drainage system videos, in which we will practically draw a drainage system. I have started the method of making drainage system in Revit. I have divided the videos of drainage system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in drainage. The second video was about the pipe segment and the pipe size catalog. In the third video, we learned to make pipe routing preferences. Today in the fourth video, we will draw a drainage system practically. And in the next fifth part, we will talk about different types of pipe tags. What kind of pipe tags are required in different stages of submissions and how to add parameters in these tags. You will also find links to all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. So let's start talking about the fourth part of making the drainage system. Friends who have not practiced the previous parts should practice it first. These links are given in the description below. Open the model of the rest of part 3, routing preferences, from where we slept and winded it. We need an architectural toilet to draw a drainage system. If I choose a project toilet, you would not have that model. Why don't we draw a small toilet together? Then draw a drainage system. It's a good idea. So let's create a new project in the File tab. Select the architectural template file. A new architectural project is ready now. Save it at any location with the name of architecture. Select Wall tool from the Architecture tab and enter wall height 2500. Draw a toilet of 3000 by 3000. Select a door from Architectural tab and place it on the wall. Let's make the floor of this toilet. To do this, select the floor in the Build panel of Architecture tab. Set the floor thickness on 150 mm. For this, select the floor and press the Edit button. Duplicate the type in Type Properties and assign the name 150. In the Construction section, press the Structure Edit button and give the thickness 150. The floor of 150 mm is ready. Now sketch floor by rectangular tool. Set the view range -300 of this architectural model so that there will not be any visibility issue while placing the floor drain. Select the plumbing fixture tool in the System tab for the plumbing fixture. There is no plumbing fixture loaded in this model. That's why the message of no plumbing family fixture in the project was displayed. Select Yes to load the plumbing fixture. Since our project is in millimeter, so access US metric folder in the libraries. Access the plumbing folder of the same category for plumbing fixture. Select the fixture folder in MEP folder, and in the water closet select the flush tank and place the water closet. Press the space bar before the mouse clicks to correct the rotation of the plumbing fixture. Pressing the space bar once rotates the object at 90 degrees. Press the space bar twice to rotate object at 180 degree. Place the water closet with the mouse click. We also need a lavatory. This is also a plumbing fixture, so access the plumbing fixture in the System tab again. Now, no plumbing fixture family loaded in the project message not displayed because we already have a family water closet of plumbing fixture category. But we need lavatory. If lavatory family is already loaded in the project, then we can change it from properties type selector and can place it in the project. But since this family is not loaded in this project, so we will go to load family and load it from library. We load the lavatory wall mounted family and place it in this project. In the same way, select the floor drain in plumbing fixture category and placed it in the model. Let's close this architectural Revit model after save. Plumbing model have systems now, so delete these pipes and load the architectural model. To do this, select the Manage Links tool in the Manage tab and add architectural Revit model from Revit section. Open it and press OK. For best practice, select this model and pin it. This will not move the architectural model and log to its coordinates. Since the drainage system is below the floor, we give the view range bottom and depth level -1000. Copy these plumbing fixtures for drainage connections first in this model. To do this, select the Copy Monitor tool in the Collaborate tab. Because we have to copy the plumbing fixture and these are links from the architectural file, So we will choose Select Link tool. The Copy Monitor dialog box is open on the upper left side. We will select Copy tool. We want to copy more than one object, which includes water closet, floor drain, and lavatory. So we will check multiple box. Now press the Control button and select these three objects. First, select the Copy Monitor Finish button in the Options bar. Then select the Finish button in the Copy Monitor tab. If you don't press the Finish button in the Options bar first and select the Finish button in the Copy Monitor tab, then the plumbing fixtures will not be copied. Now the plumbing fixtures have been copied. Select Water Closet. The 100 mm out connector is its sanitary pipe connector, and there is a 15 mm cold water connector for filling the tank. Whatever pipe we draw, the pipe system is automatically set to the pipe tool. So first draw a pipe on an empty space and see what the pipe type and piping system is set on and what we have required. Soil pipe is required for water closet. So right click on the connector and select Draw Pipe tool. Set pipe middle elevation on -300 and also set pipe slope down on 1%. Due to the settings in the routing preferences, the fittings will become automatically. Western water closets have a P-trap built in. So draw a pipe outside the toilet with maintaining the pipe slope. Now we will do the same procedure with lavatory. Lavatory has drainage pipe connector in the middle. The waste pipe is required for lavatory. Since we were making soil system, so the pipe system is set on soil pipe. If we select the connector and try to change the pipe type and piping system while drawing the pipe, then the pipe type we can change, but the piping system we cannot modify. So draw a pipe on an empty space and verify the pipe type and piping system. This is the one-time practice. Once you have the piping system ready in the model, then you can select the piping system from the Create Similar command. There will be no need to draw piping system on an empty space. Select the lavatory. Right-click on the drainage connector and set the middle elevation on 600. Now draw a section view. To add the P-trap in the lavatory waste pipe, search it in the Pipe Fittings of the System tab. we did not find this fitting in the type selector. To load it, we will go to the load family and select the US metric folder. Then pipe, fittings, PVC, schedule 40, socket type, and from the DWV folder we will load this fitting in the project. Place the P-trap on the end of the pipe, and after placing, select the P-trap to correct the direction of it. Get the desired direction of the P-trap with the rotate button. In a P-trap, the water stays up to a certain level and block the pipe so that the bad smell does not return to the wet area from the system. Now draw a pipe at the end point of this P-trap and go underground through the wall. Now we access the floor plan. Similarly, access the floor drain and set the elevation of waste pipe on -500. Now also make a P-trap to the floor drain, same like what we did before with lavatory. Select the bottom pipe and elbow of the lavatory and connect it with the pipe of floor drain. And draw the floor drain pipe outside the wet area. All of these levels I am telling you as guess. When you work on a project, you will work only according to the available space. The T-connector for the vent system will made in lavatory elbow by clicking Add Connector and draw a pipe up to the roof. Pipe type and system type can still be modified after the pipe is drawn. To do this, detach the pipe from system and change the piping system as per requirements and reconnect it to the system. I have told you how to attach pipes with plumbing fixtures. Now let me tell you about some information in details and depth of the drainage system so that when you draw a drainage system in a project, you do not have any problem. For this, I show the drainage system of one of my various projects. Before making a drainage system, you have to choose whether you are designing a buried in floor drainage system or a ceiling suspended drainage system. Buried in floor drainage system is underground system, and the ceiling suspended system is designed between slab and ceiling. If there is no basement below the ground floor, then the drainage system will be designed buried in floor. Even if the structure slab on the upper floor is depressed, then the drainage system will also design buried in floor. In case of ceiling suspended drainage system, the pipe will come out of the plumbing fixture and passes through the sleeve of the structure slab and goes down to the ceiling of lower floor, and from there it will pass through an architectural shaft and go to a ground level manhole. Then you have to take care of which plumbing fixture is maximum far away from the stack of the drainage system. The plumbing fixture that will be away from the drainage stack, you have to start the system from there, maximum near of structure slab, because the drainage system is a gravity force pipe. This comes down slowly on the 1% slope, which can cause problems with the rest of the system's installation. The drainage system will design more closer to the structure slab, the more free space will receive for the other services. Now I will do some basic settings in a 3D view. In this 3D view, you can see that every connection of the drainage system is designed at 45 degree so that there is no obstruction in the flow. Vent system connection is connected to the top side of pipes everywhere. Connecting the vent system from bottom or side will block the vent pipe because of waste. Hope you understand the drainage system. Save the project. In the next, fifth and last video, we will talk about different types of pipe tags and their parameters. So wait for my next video. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.